Welcome to PayFunds, your trusted crypto wallet. Today, we're going to show you how to track your transactions easily. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version from Google Play Store so you don't miss any features. Once you open PayFunds, go to your transactions section. Here, you'll see a complete list of all your transactions, everything you've sent and received, all in one place. Each transaction will show its details, including the amount, sender, receiver, and the current status. You can tap on any transaction to view it in detail. From here, you can copy the transaction ID or address, or view it on the Blockchain Explorer if you want to check it externally. You'll also see the From and To fields, so you know exactly where your funds came from and went to. If it's a new address, you can add it as a contact directly from the transaction view for easier tracking in the future. You can also use the filter option to sort transactions by blockchain, date, or type, so it's easy to check specific transactions. This way, whether you're checking Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, or any other blockchain, you'll have complete control and visibility of all your movements. Tracking transactions with PayFunds is simple, fast, and secure. And it gives you peace of mind knowing your crypto activity is organized and easy to manage. Don't forget, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and remember, PayFunds, your keys, your crypto, your freedom.